Coach Reese in the gym. I'm training with Sandy right now. We're doing some leg extensions. Go ahead, have a seat. I'm going to show you guys a different way on how to do some leg extensions in a leg extension machine. Now what we're going to do, we're going to do some exploding, okay? So I'm going to demonstrate or have her demonstrate exactly how that goes. Now what you're going to do, you're going to explode it up, lower it down nice and easy. Take about 5 seconds for you to lower it down, then explode right back up, okay? And let's go. And again, explode. Bam. Good job. And again. Right back up. Bam. Now give me 5 of regular tempo. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Okay? 1. Right back up. 2. Get it up. 3. Keep that butt down. 4. Last one. And 5. Come on out. That's a leg extension.